Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me say a huge shout out to all my style vibers out there who have already hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support and thanks for tuning in today. Now, if you're joining us for the first time, welcome to the TSV. I'm Junie and I'm an avid thrifter. And on this channel, I present styling ideas primarily featuring thrifted pieces. This is where we take our thrifted finds and create our own unique style vibe. Now, if thrifting, styling, and vibing is your thing, we would love to have you join us on this journey. Our current goal right now is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we would love all the support we can get in order to hit that milestone. So I'm going to encourage you today to just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now, I'm not sure what the weather is like where you're at, but where I'm at here in Alberta, Canada, it's neither here nor there. It's winter and then it's spring, it's winter, then it's spring. Here the weather is playing a game with us. It's teasing us, it's playing peekaboo. A few weeks ago, we were in the single digits above 0 Celsius. A few days ago, we were minus 23 and a snowfall. Today is March 18th and it is right now it's minus 18 and the high for today is +1. So you can see it's difficult to decide if I'm dressing for winter or I'm dressing for spring. So that's why today's styling session will be a winter to spring styling session. The color theme for today's style edit is gray, black, and white with an accent color of blue. Now, let's get into creating today's style vibe. Today's styling session features a number of pieces that I thrifted earlier this year. And with that, a whole lot of pieces that I had already thrifted last year or the year before. Can't remember. But most of it is thrifted. Now, I don't know how many of you are following or watching the trends for spring 2025. One of those trends is called Ladies Who Lunch. And that was the foundation for my inspiration for today, as well as some of my pins from Pinterest. This first look features this gray suit, this gray skirt suit by Jones Studio. And with that, we'll be adding this blue cardigan, and this cardigan is by Jacob. Now let's put this look together and see what it looks like. For this next look, we are using the same gray skirt from the skirt suit. Then we're adding this gray vest that I thrifted at the same time I thrifted this gray suit, and this beautiful check blue tie. Then to that, we'll be adding this gray long sleeve shirt by Isaac Mizrahi. Now let's put this look together. This next look will be featuring these black pleather pants by The Gap. I thrifted these at the Goodwill earlier this year. These are by The Gap. And to that, we'll be adding this oversized, this is extra large white shirt I bought at Walmart. It was on sale, I think, for $10. But it's long sleeve white shirt that is oversized. And this gray vest I thrifted at the Goodwill. Now, it doesn't have a name on it. I'm not sure. Actually, it does have a brand on it, but it's in a language that I cannot read. But I loved it, and it was a reasonable price, so I got it. Now, let's put this look together. Now, you would have seen this plaid skirt in a styling video earlier that I did for earlier this year. This is a January find as well. This is from the Value Village. This is a vintage brand called Surrey Classics. Surrey Classics. To that, I'm going to be adding this beautiful gray sweater. And this one is by H&M. H&M's long sleeve gray ribbed sweater with the skirt. This look is going to be a little bit of that prep school vibe. Now let's put this one together. This next look features the same gray plaid pleated skirt, as well as this black moto jacket by C.I. Sono, this black graphic tee, and this blue cable knit vest. All of these pieces are thrifted. Now we're going to put this look together. in this look, I'm featuring a dress. I always love to feature a dress as an option. So I'm featuring this Joe Fresh dress in blue, black, and white. I think it's perfect for spring. It's in a cotton fabric. And to that, I'm adding this little cotton black cropped jacket with a mandarin collar to this look. This one is by Dahlia Collection. Let's put this look together. And of course, we're keeping some denim in the mix. So we're starting out with these denim pants by American Eagle. Has a little bit of distress on them, but that's okay. I'm loving the distress. And as you can see, they're cuffed at the bottom. Cuffing your pants or your denim this season is in. So yes, we're going to put that in. And this little top by Cleo, this little sheer 2-pocket geometric blue, white, and black top by Cleo. And this Zara blue blazer. I picked this up on my first thrift for 2025. I think I got 4 Zara blazers that day, and this is one of them. And I'm so excited to throw it into the mix. Now, let's put this look together. And for our last look, we are still keeping the blue theme going. We've got this long sleeve shirt. This is one of my recent thrift at the Goodwill. This one is by Atmosphere. And I love this shirt because it's got the white cuff on the sleeve and the white collar and these beautiful blue buttons all down the front. To that, we'll be adding this gray vest. This gray vest is by MEY, Me. It's by, and it's like a tunic length on that one. And these gray plaid pants that I thrifted as well. These from the Value Village, and this is by Banana Republic. So that's our last look. Last but not least, Now we're going to put this one together. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. And I do hope you got some inspiration from today's winter spring style edit. Now, please let me know in the comments what is inspiring your winter spring style vibe. Now, don't forget to go to your closet, be inspired, and have some fun. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, thanks for watching.